living space of 3 BHK sample flat. So this is your very spacious kitchen where you get an spacious and luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Kasturi Eon Homes, which is located near MIDC Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi, Pune, and is developed by Kasturi Housing. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the entrance of the project that leads you to the sales office, and in front of the entrance is the MIDC Phase 3 main road that connects you to the Megapolis Circle. And just in front of the entrance, you get the Megapolis Circle metro station. Now, before I show you a beautiful sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that has connected its home buyers directly with the developers, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me tell you about the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. Kasturi Eon Homes will be constructed on 22 acre of land parcel, which will be having 12 towers, in which you will be getting 3 basement plus ground plus 23 floors, which will be having 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. So, let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location, जहाँ पे entrance के सामने ही आपको मिल जाता है MIDC Phase 3 main road, and मेरे पीछे है Megapolis Circle. Now, this project's location is near MIDC Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है Megapolis Circle, which is 400 meters away, Tech Mahindra, which is 600 meters away, and Man Road, which is 1 kilometer away. This project has over 25 plus luxurious amenities such as gym, temperature controlled swimming pool, banquet hall, cinema, one landscape garden, kids play area, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat, which has 1150 square feet carpet area. So, as you can see, just at the entrance, you get a video door phone and a digital door attached to your door for security purposes. And then this is your entrance lobby where you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack. Now, let us check out our dining and living space. So, this is a very spacious, luxurious and beautiful living space of 3 BHK sample flat, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and you get your TV unit setup space here, and you also get an attached balcony to your living space, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is two-side cover. Now, let us check out our dining space. So this is a very beautiful and luxurious dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now everyone, let me show you the first bedroom of this flat, as this flat is based on butterfly concept and the first bedroom you get is just at the entrance. Now, before I show you the bedroom, let me tell you about this walking space you get here, and then you also get an attached washroom just at the entrance, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, shower glass partition, and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your first bedroom, which is very spacious, and you get your bed setup space here, and then you also get attached windows here for ventilation and natural lighting. And then you get your wardrobe setup space here. Now let me tell you about another feature you get in your first bedroom, As you can see, this door, the moment you open it, it directly connects you to the living room's balcony. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is your very spacious kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform and a separate platform here, which is a granite platform with a sink attached to it. And let me also tell you that this is a modular kitchen, so you also get a chimney and a water purifier attached to it with the cabinets shown just as in the sample flat. And then you also get a dry balcony attached to it where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. And you get your refrigerator setup space here. Now everyone, let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, let me also mention that you get a common washroom here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, shower glass partition and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our second bedroom. You can see it is very spacious and beautiful. And then this is where you get your bed setup space. And you also get a corner floor to ceiling window with this, which has French windows attached to it. And you get a lot of walking space in the bedroom. And then you get your huge wardrobe setup space here. Now, before I show you the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out the third bedroom. But before I show you the bedroom, let me tell you get a walking space here, and then just at the entrance you get an attached master washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, shower glass partition and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your very spacious and luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space and you get a lot of walking space here. And then you also get an extended corner floor to ceiling window with French windows attached to it. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Kasturi Eon Homes, which is located near MIDC, Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi, Pune, and is developed by Kasturi Housing. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.